Kua tūwhera ngā tatau o te ratonga hauora Māori o Maketū ki te āwhina I tōna hāpori.
We're the face of calm. We're the voice of reassurance. And that's what we're here to do, to reassure our people that we're going to be okay. Supporting our whānau as best we can. Something as simple as just putting a sausage sizzle out the front, offering a hot drink to our whānau that come by. Some of them don't have social media, this we're aware of. We put it out there on social media that we have the kai down here available for whānau. But for those that just drive by, call out, let them know there's a sausage and a drink here.
I think one of the biggest mistakes we all make is we're too afraid or too proud to ask for help. There's always help at Maketū, we know that, but it's just you've got to ask. You don't have to ask, they're there offering, but if you don't get out of your door, you just don't see what's on offer for us.
Here in the community, we like to think that we know everyone, but there's going to be some that we don't know. We are hopeful, though, that they do reach out, that they do realise that the hauora isn't just a beautiful building here in the CBD of Maketū. It's actually a place where you can come to get support.
Nō reira, puritia te ringa āwhina e toro atu ana ki a koe. Wai mānea nuri, te ao marama.